Good morning to all. Respected Principal Sir, Director Sir, teachers and all my schoolmates. I am Monica from Ria International School from class 8 here to say something about science and technology. Science. Every person has different thoughts about it. Some says it is good while others says it is bad. Nothing is good and bad, but it depend on us how we use it. Science in its own is nothing but is created by humans and used by them for various purposes. From talking person 100 miles far, reaching everywhere on time in the AC car, we all are depending on technology. Science and technology today is involving so much in our life that even we cannot imagine our life without science. Science and technology made our life more easier. Gathering knowledge is now more easier. Just what we have to do, just open up your browser and search whatever you want. Language is no more a problem in new place if we have a Google translator over there. Aryabhat and Chandrayaan 2 as reaches on moon is also gifts of science. Not only for an individual, science and technology has proved to be beneficial for a particular nation. It boosts the defense system of the country. CCTV cameras, tracing machines, metal detector, etc. All these are gadgets to reduce the number of crimes in the country. Overall, we can say that science and technology has brought the entire world in our power. Every coin has two sides, same goes with technology. It was science that gave us weapons, and these weapons are now misused by humans. There are so many advantages of the technology and as well as disadvantages of the technology. New technologies like mobile phones, iPod, etc. are creating bad effects on human. Not only on the human, but on the other plants and other organisms living on the earth. We are talking the person who is 100 miles far from us and ignoring the person who is sitting next to us. And excessive use of technologies made man more lazier. So it depends on us whether we use it to connect people or to destroy them by dropping nuclear bombs. Thank you.